So this is your finished zipper pouch with the fabric slashing in the bottom here. This is looking so pretty. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if you're here for the first time. Today I'm going to show you a simple zipper pouch tutorial. So this piece of material that I have here will be part of the exterior of the pouch. This I use the fabric slash method, or some people call it the chenille method, where you take two pieces of fabric, place some pieces of scrap fabric in whatever color you want to see coming through. Between the two, make a sandwich, and then you stitch across or in a circular motion, however you choose. Then you cut between the lines, between the stitches, to reveal the inside. And this is what we have here, this beautiful piece of fabric. Zoom in so you can see what's happening in there. Look how beautiful. I will place in the description all the measurements and materials you will need to use for this project. Here I have the top part of my zipper pouch and a zipper. The zipper is about 12 inches long, and this piece of fabric is 10 inches wide. So I'm using a longer zipper so that it won't be in my way when I'm trying to sew the zipper onto the fabric. So you'll take the zipper with a pull on the left side, you turn it over on top of the piece of fabric. The top can hang off the fabric, doesn't matter as long as it's out of the way. And you line it up with the edge or the top part of your fabric. So this is the exterior fabric and this is the lining piece of fabric. So we will place this on top of the zipper, creating a sandwich. Make sure the two pieces of fabric are lined up evenly in position. And now you will take this sandwich over to your sewing machine and sew across the zipper as close to the teeth as possible. So this is what you should have after sewing your zipper to your fabric. Now you will take the two pieces of fabric and pull it away from the zipper like this. You will press this and you will top stitch using a 3 mm stitch length straight across here to hold this in place. Okay, so this is what you should have at this stage. Top stitched to the two pieces. So this is one part of your zipper complete. Now we will do the bottom part of the zipper. This is your lining piece. This will be right sides up. We will place the zipper piece to the top, matching the edge of the lining piece, and even the fabric, making sure that the fabrics are evenly matched. Now you will place this piece of fabric, which is a part of the exterior, right sides facing down on top of the zipper like this, matching up all the raw edges. You can clip or pin, and you will sew again just like you did the first time, as close as you can across the zipper. The length of the zipper, making sure not to sew on the zipper teeth. You will pull the two pieces together, press, top stitch, same as you did for the first part of the zipper piece. So after stitching the bottom part of the bag, this is what you will have. As you can see, my bag is not lining up evenly on the sides and that is because I did not pin before I sewed. So don't make the same mistake that I made. You pin every time, pin or clip before you go to the sewing machine, okay, so that your fabrics won't move and cause you to have to trim it down. So I will pull the zip in because I need to cut the zip anyways. I will pull the zip in like this, and then I will even up the sides so that it will be easier for me to finish the bag. So things look a bit more even here. As you can see, I cut the excess zipper. The sides are even. This side is even as well. So now we can move on to the other part where we'll attach the exterior back and the lining back. We'll install this is the lining back. We're going to line this up with the lining fabric. See, we're going to pick this up, we're going to line this part up and this bottom part with this lining piece. Right sides together if your fabric has a right side. Mine don't have a right side, so I can use any side I choose. So just the lining piece. This is the exterior, and this is not going to be stitched at this point. We're stitching this part here. Okay, we're going to pick up the bottom part as well, and we're going to stitch here. So what we're going to do is leave a 3-inch. We're going to leave a 3-inch opening at the bottom. I've pinned the entire thing, just the lining pieces. As you can see, I've pinned around here and here, separating it from the exterior. I left a 4-inch wide opening for turning because my fabric is a bit bulky. Just to be sure that it will pass, I left a 4-inch. You can use 3 inches if you wish, or you can use the 4-inch to be on the safe side. So you'll take this to your sewing machine and you will sew all the way around, stopping at these 2 points. Make sure again that you do not sew through the exterior. So you can move the exterior out of your way however you can and sew. Okay. What you can do as well is when you're sewing at your sewing machine, you can stop. Do not sew across the zip. Stop up to the zip. So you sew here and you stop. You sew around here and you stop. You do the same thing from here to here, here to here. We will close up this area when we're sewing the exterior. So the lining piece is now attached, as you can see here. So we're going to finish up by attaching the back exterior. So first thing you need to do is pull your zipper halfway in so that you can put your hand through the opening that I left in the lining to turn your bag inside out. This is very important. Make sure this part is open. So this is the inside of your bag, like that. Now we're going to place this exterior back right side facing the exterior front. Line it up evenly, make sure the edges are almost matching. Mine will be uneven because, as I said, I did not pin while I was stitching. So I'm going to close it up a little bit and continue. So here, and we're sewing all the way around, just the exterior pieces, as in we're not going to sew through the lining pieces. You move this out of the way when you're sewing and you sew around the entire thing. make sure you don't sew through this part. So these are the two that we're sewing. This part is leaving out. So to make it easier on yourself when sewing, you can just sew like I showed you the first time, up to here, so up to here, raise up and sew from there. That is leaving out the zipper around to here. Once you're finished, then you will try and pull, you'll go over it, sewing just this area that was left out. That way you don't sew through everything. Okay, so I've completed sewing down the exterior fabric. I've also trimmed the points and around a little bit so it's less bulky when I turn it over. And this is what you should have. The lining separate from the exterior pieces. So I don't know if you can see it, but I left a gap here that is marked in red. From here to here is left unsewn. So I'm going to take this back to the sewing machine now, and I'm going to just sew across this area here from here to here to close this, and then we're going to turn inside out. So I went over the zipper a few times just to make sure that it's secure. Now for the big reveal, we're going to go through the opening in the lining, and we're going to find where we left the zip half open. If you can't reach it, it's not wide enough, you can just stick your finger and pull it down a bit more, like so, and you go put your hand all the way through and you pull out the exterior inside to the outside, the exterior to the outside, like this. Make sure to get your finger in the corner to poke out the points. And go back inside and pull up the lining where we have the opening. We have to close it, so we're going to fold this in, matching up with it. Stitch across, closing here as close to the end as possible. Then we'll stick it back inside, and now we're done. So this is your finished zipper pouch with the fabric slashing in the bottom here. This is looking so pretty. I like this. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see how to do this technique. It's the inside of your bag. This is where you close the opening. See, if you use the matching thread, you can barely see that there's stitching in the bottom here. So everywhere else is finished, no raw edges. And then you have a cool, you can carry your makeup, pens, pencils, whatever you want to carry, your cell phones, inside of this cute little bag that is quick and easy to make. I will place all the measurements in the description. Remember to like, share, and comment, and subscribe if you enjoy this tutorial. You can check out my previous video on how to make a scrunchie, and if you would like to see more videos on zipper pouches, let me know in the comments.